those remarkable random moments in West Indies cricket. A first test match win in Pakistan in over 30 years. Not quite as spectacular, but similar to the victory in Australia last year. Obviously, not the same quality opponents, but another one of those unexpected victories. And let's not bother with the foolishness. No corner, no turn. And Jamel Warrican and Gudakesh Moti are no world beaters. All that happened is that the Pakistanis set the wicket for their spinners, but the plan backfired because the West Indies spinners exploited the conditions better than them. Question though, this was Coach Andre Coley's last series in charge of the test team. And West Indies Cricket Board, in the midst of our worthlessness, they are sacking a coach that beat Australia in Australia for the first time in 28 years. And then beat Pakistan in Pakistan for the first time in 30 odd years. They're replacing that coach with Darren. Tommy.